Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that forms the foundation of financial success: creating and sticking to a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and make informed spending decisions. Join us as we explore practical steps to create a budget that works for you and strategies to stay on track. Let's get started. The importance of budgeting. Budgeting is crucial for financial well-being. It provides a clear picture of your income, expenses, and savings, allowing you to allocate your money effectively. A budget helps you identify unnecessary spending, save for emergencies and future goals, and reduce financial stress. It empowers you to make conscious choices about where your money goes. Additionally, a budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, guiding you towards financial stability and long-term success. It helps you prioritize your spending, ensuring that your money is directed towards the things that matter most to you. By creating a budget, you gain a sense of control over your finances and can make informed decisions that align with your values and aspirations. Ultimately, budgeting is a powerful tool that empowers you to build a solid foundation for your financial future and achieve the financial peace of mind you deserve. 1. Assessing your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is assessing your income and expenses. Take a comprehensive look at your income sources, including wages, freelancing gigs, or passive income. Next, track your expenses by categorizing them into fixed, e.g., rent, utilities, and variable, e.g., groceries, entertainment. Understanding your cash flow is essential for budgeting. When assessing your income, be sure to consider not only your regular salary but also any additional sources of income you may have, such as side hustles or investments. It's important to have a clear understanding of the total amount of money coming in each month. By categorizing your expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending or areas where you have room to cut back. This awareness allows you to make more intentional choices about your spending and prioritize your financial goals. Understanding your cash flow, which is the difference between your income and expenses, is essential for effective budgeting and helps you determine how much you can allocate towards savings, debt repayment, or other financial objectives. 2. Setting financial goals. Establishing clear financial goals gives purpose to your budget. Determine short-term goals like paying off debt or saving for a vacation, as well as long-term goals such as retirement planning or buying a home. Your goals will shape your budgeting priorities and provide motivation to stay on track. Setting clear financial goals not only provides direction for your budget but also acts as a powerful motivator. When you have specific goals in mind, such as paying off a certain amount of debt within a year or saving a specific amount for a down payment on a house, it becomes easier to stay focused and committed to your budgeting efforts. 3. Creating your budget. Now it's time to create your budget. Start by allocating a portion of your income towards essential expenses like housing, transportation, and utilities. Then, assign amounts to discretionary categories such as entertainment and dining out. Don't forget to allocate a portion for savings and emergency funds. Be realistic and flexible with your budget to ensure it aligns with your needs and goals. And remember, not having an emergency fund is an emergency. 4. Tracking and adjusting your budget. Creating a budget is only the beginning. Tracking your expenses is crucial to ensure you're sticking to your budget. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending regularly. Evaluate your progress periodically and make adjustments as needed. Remember, a budget should be a dynamic tool that adapts to your changing circumstances. Budgeting strategies and tips. To help you stick to your budget, here are some effective strategies and tips. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, consider if it aligns with your budget and financial goals. Use cash envelopes or digital envelopes. Allocate specific amounts of cash or virtual funds for different spending categories. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts to make saving a consistent habit. Seek accountability. Share your budgeting goals with a trusted friend or family member who can offer support and motivation. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself when you achieve budgeting milestones to stay motivated and maintain enthusiasm. Creating and sticking to a budget is a transformative step towards financial freedom and empowerment. By assessing your income and expenses, setting clear goals, and tracking your spending, you'll gain control over your finances and make progress towards your aspirations. Remember, budgeting is a journey that requires discipline and flexibility. Stay committed, make adjustments when needed, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. Thank you for joining us today as we explore different budgeting methods. We hope you found these budgeting strategies helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IATIS for more helpful insights.